Hey, I'm Max with Aura, and today we're talking about 14 hidden dangers of identity theft that can ruin your life. If someone steals the cash out of your hand, it's a one-time loss. But when criminals steal your identity, it can take weeks, months, or even years to fully recover. Even if you think that you've recovered, stats show that there's a 30% chance that you'll become a repeat victim of identity theft and fraud. So how can identity theft impact your life? Well, here are the most common dangers of identity theft. Fraudsters can open new accounts, credit cards, and loans in your name. When most people think of the dangers of identity theft, the first thing that comes to mind is financial fraud, and for good reason. Once a criminal has accessed your information and stolen your credit card number, they can create duplicate credit cards using your credit card numbers, use your bank account numbers to make withdrawals, and open fraudulent loans or lines of credit under your name, among many other methods of fraud. You can lose your healthcare benefits. With your protected health information, criminals can commit medical identity theft and use up your healthcare benefits, receive treatments under your name, or illegally acquire prescription drugs. Even worse, they can alter or misrepresent your medical history, causing you to receive wrong or even potentially dangerous treatments. Hackers can own your email and other accounts. If your passwords are weak enough, hackers can use cyber attacks that will crack passwords in a matter of minutes or even seconds. Once they hack your email, scammers can request password reset emails and take over your other accounts, like social media or banking accounts. You'll have to repair your credit score. When identity thieves steal your information, they can wreak havoc on the criteria that determines your credit score. A damaged credit score can prevent you from qualifying for mortgages, personal loans, and even prevent you from getting certain jobs. You could lose your home due to mortgage and deed fraud. Deed fraud, also known as title fraud, title theft, or house stealing, is a growing problem for older and vacation home owners. It's especially common for elderly people who may have been tricked into signing over their title. Criminals can steal your tax refund. If a criminal steals your social security number, name, and birth date, they can file for taxes under your name and get a massive refund. Then to make it worse, when you file your taxes, your legitimate return gets flagged as fraudulent. Hackers can post embarrassing posts on your social media accounts. Scammers can even look for sensitive photos and videos in your account and use them to extort you. This type of identity theft can be emotionally devastating, so be sure to always protect your social media accounts with strong passwords and multi-factor authentication. You could spend large amounts of time and money recovering your identity. By some reports, it can take 6 months and 40 hours of work to recover from identity theft. It can be exhausting, but if you don't change or fix every compromised piece of your personally identifying information, identity thieves will always have a way in. You could experience psychological harm and emotional distress. You could also become a victim of repeat identity theft and fraud. It's reported that 30% of victims of identity theft are repeat victims, and over 20% of them have lost more than $21,000 throughout multiple attacks. Scammers can commit crimes in your name. If someone uses your identity to commit crimes, you might face legal action, even if you didn't commit the act. Your personal data could circulate on the dark web forever. Once your information is leaked, it often ends up for sale on the dark web for as little as $1. And unfortunately, that information's out there forever. The one thing you can do is find out which accounts are compromised and update all of your passwords and logins. You could start receiving many more spam calls and emails. And finally, identity theft doesn't just happen to you. Children and the elderly are common targets because they're less likely to monitor their credit and are more likely to fall for scams and social engineering attacks. With Aura's family plan, you can add up to 5 people to your account, including adults and children. This way, your whole family is protected against identity theft. So if you're ready to get protected, visit Aura.com for a 14-day free trial. We'll see you next time.